I'm here with Wyatt Schaffner, outstanding wrestler for Riverheads from McDonough Duels. Wyatt, how's your weekend been so far?
Our weekend's been pretty good. I've been 7-1 so far. I don't know. I just came here to wrestle.
7-1, so you have had 8 matches?
Yeah.
That's awesome. What kind of moves are you using to score all these points to win 7 matches?
I use a hazard tilt, and I just like blast doubles and just.
Awesome, man. All right, with the season coming towards the end, what are your goals for the end of the year?
My goal is to win states in Virginia.
Win states? That's an awesome goal, my man. Do you have any special shout-outs that you have?
My parents, they drive me everywhere.
Smart man. All right, last question here. The Super Bowl coming up tonight. Who do you want to win?
The Philadelphia Eagles.
Go Birds, baby. All right, Wyatt Schaffner, outstanding wrestler for Riverheads here at McDonough Duels. Congrats, my man.
Yeah. Bye.